Hello friends, we are going to solve today a new problem which is mostly trending on the our social media sites. Okay, one square is given and inside another square is given and you need to find the area of this shaded regions. Okay, which is also square. So how you are going to find? Now first of all, you need to give the names. Okay, so just give the outside circle square A B C D. Okay, inside square P Q R S, and just put up the again names on the point on which they are meeting on the big square. Okay, give a name like E F G H. Okay, now how you are going to find the area? Okay, for this you need to find the side of the square. Okay, now again in this problem I think you see the numerical on the thumbnail. What is given? The sides are provided of the square with 5 and 10 centimeter. Okay, same here also 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so for finding this we can use the either trigonometric formulas. Okay, we can use trigonometries or we can use parallel axis theorem. Okay, so with in comparison of the both, that parallel line theorem is most simple theorem. So first of all I explain. Okay, try to recall what is the parallel line theorem. If line passing through three parallel lines, okay, if line passing through three parallel lines, example take A B C is a lines. Okay, so all cutting lines should be are in the proportions. For example, if it is cut into one and it is double of the first line, so another also same. So if for example if it is a 2, what is the ratio? 1:2, that means double, so it will become 4. If it is 3, it also become 6. Okay, so now here observe, this is the square, that means it 90, opposite angle also a linear angle also 90, here also 90 90. Okay, so we can say that line AP and DS are both are the parallel lines. Okay, so from this we can say that AE upon ED is equal to AP upon PS. AP upon PS. Okay, both are in the same ratio. What is that? We know the one side. Okay, what is the value of AE upon AD? Which is equal to 5 by 10. It is equal to 5 by 10. Okay, write in the simplest form, it is 1 by 2. So it should be a same format, 1 by 2 in the ratio. Okay, now if we have to find the real values is, okay, you should take a one variable. Now consider this is 1x or this will be a 2x. Okay, so we can say that AP is equal to x and PS is equal to 2x. Okay, with the same we can say that here also two line parallels, so from we can say that this is the x and this will be a 2x. Okay, same here, this x 2x. Okay, and here also x 2x. Okay, now okay, we need to find the area of the inside circle square. So how you can find? You can find the area of the outside square, okay, which is equal to area of this triangle and shaded region. So write down area of big circle, big square, sorry, ABCD is equal to 4 triangles. Now okay, here observe ABD, this is the one triangle. Okay, now DRC, it is second, CQB is the third, and AEB is the fourth triangle. Okay, so how many triangles are there? area of the 4 triangles plus area of the shaded region square, which is PQRS. Okay, now area of the triangle 4 into, what is the formula of the triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, now here observe, what is the base? X, and the height is 3x. Okay, 3x plus area of the square is side square. What is the side here? 2x. So here 2x whole square. Now do a simple math calculations. 2 by 2, it becomes 2. Okay, now 2x into 3x is equal to 6x square plus 2x square is equal to 4x square, which is equal to 10x square. Okay, now area of rectangle ABCD is what? The side square, which is 15 square. Okay, now just put the value 15 square. Okay, what is the value of 15 square? Is 225. From that we can find out x square is equal to 225 divided by 10, which is equal to 25.5. Okay, now what is we need to find out? X square or area of the shaded region. Okay, so how you are going to find area of the shaded region? Okay, which is area of square ABCD, PQRS is equal to 4 into x square. Okay, 2x square means 4x square. So just put the value of x square, which is 4 into 22.5. Okay, which is, we can say that 90 centimeter square. Okay, understood? Thank you for watching.